Hello! Alright, today we are ready for Wonders Unit 2, Week 2, Day 3. Alright, we've been talking this week about what buildings do you know of and what are they made of. So, what are some things that a building is made out of? Bricks, mud, cement, right? In our stories, what have they been made out of so far? Sticks, grass, and bricks, right? Yeah. All right, so we are going to read some more stories at the end of our lesson, or another story. All right, here we go. I'm going to say two sounds, and I want you to put it together to make a word. Are you ready? What's the word? Up. Good job. Fun. Very good. Oh. Oh. Plum. Cup. D. Drum. All right, last one. What's the word? Stuck. Good job. All right, we have been talking about short value. And what does short value say? Short U says like in the middle of gum or up. All right, we're ready to tap out words. Get those lion paws out. Are you ready? Here we go. Yuck. Yuck. Huff. Ugh. Snug. Mud. All right, we're going to talk about what each picture is. What is this a picture of? A rug. Let's tap it. G. Rug. How do we spell rug? What says R. What says U. What says G. G. R-U-G spells rug. Very good. Let's go into our next picture. What's this a picture of? Did you say nut? It's a nut. Let's sound it out. T. What's that first sound? What says N. Good job. What says that's our second sound or middle sound. U. What is our last sound? T. T. What says T? T. N-U-T spells nut. Very good. What is this a picture of? Gum. Do you like to chew gum? All right, here we go. Let's sound it out. G. G. Gum. What's our first sound? G. 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 Good job. What is our second sound? What says U. Good job. What's our third sound? What says N. G-U-N spells gum. All right, what is this a picture of? Oh, it could be two different things. I would say it could be a cup or a mug. Let's do cup. Here we go. Cup. What's our first sound? K. What says K? C. Okay. What says U. What's our last sound? What says P? C. sentences. Gus dug in the mud with us. One more time. Gus dug in the mud with us. Do you see any short U words in there? Gus dug mud and us. Now I'm going to ask you a hard question. Let's see if you can do it. How many words are in this sentence? Hit pause and count if you need more time. Here we go. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 words in that sentence. All right, let's read our next sentence. Bud huffs and puffs as he runs up the hill. Bud huffs and puffs as he runs up the hill. Do you see any short U words? Bud huffs, puffs, runs, and up. Ooh, get ready. We're going to go speedy fast. Are you ready? Here we go. Could, live, 1, 3, then, 3, live, 1, could, then, 3, live, 3, then, could, 1. Make sure you're practicing those words at home. All right, we have to fill in the missing words below with our high frequency words or our sight words. Are you ready? I had blank dog. I had blank dog. Which one is going to go there? Could, live, 1, then, or 3? I had blank dog. I had 1 dog. All right, are you ready? Let's do the next one. Blank, I got blank cats. Blank, I got blank cats. Now, we already used 1. Okay, so can't use that one. Blank, I got blank cats. Then, I got 3 cats. That would make sense. Blank, my dog, blank, with blank dogs. Blank, my dog, blank, with blank dogs. There's 3 blanks. That makes it really hard. Okay, let's see. Could, live, and could live, and we're going to use the other. Let's see. Could my dog live with 3 dogs? That would work. Could my dog live with 3 dogs? All right. Now, before we go on to day 4, we're going to read a story. This story is called Cubs in a Hat. All right. We're going to read about 3 cubs, and they are going to build, what do you think? A hut. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's make a hut, said Gus. We could use mud, said Russ. It will be fun, said Bud. The cubs had a plan. Bud got a big stack of sticks. Russ and Gus got mud and grass. The cubs did a very good job. Let's move in, yelled Russ. Yes, yes, yelled Bud and Gus. The cubs set up rugs and beds. They filled up the hut with lots of stuff. Then, one night, 3 cubs got up. Drip, drip, drip. "My bed is wet!" yelled Bud. "My head is wet!" yelled Gus. "It's not fun to live in a wet hut!" yelled Russ. "We must fix it," said Bud. "It will not drip on us," said Gus. "We will not get wet," said Russ. It is good to live in a dry hut. 3 cubs are as snug as bugs in a rug. All right, let's talk about this. Who were the characters in our story? We had Bud, Russ, and Gus. Great. Where is the setting of the story? Let's look back through. Where did the story take place? Do you know what a place is called that has lots of trees? It's called a forest. The story takes place in a forest, and in their what? Hut, right? What was the problem in the story? What happened? Water was getting in their hut, and they were getting all wet. How did they fix the problem? They went on the roof, right, and they fixed it. They put wood to patch it up so that they wouldn't get wet. Right. Good job. All right. Well, that is it for today. So I will see you tomorrow.